cleaning and ironing. It's almost what I need. 120, 5 I just start that. Let's open and I need my eyeglass. I fix. Also, that's the floor now. The line. So, normal lang yung ano ko, t-shirt pang bahay. Parang, I'm like only in the Philippines. In my home, what's that? Wearing my what's that, just normal. Sometimes it's not good for my t-shirt. Because I'm only inside in the house. That's what I'm doing. That's what I mean. I'm cleaning. Double pag-nito. Okay. I just have to have jacket. I don't know. Before I fix my line, I prepared first my stuff to make it sure if the time 2 o'clock na para almost tapos para mang nakita bad swipe pa bad swipe ang prepare ko yung jacket para nito hindi naman baho gusto ko yung jacket para pag 2 o'clock na sit the time ng teaching then the school bus will arrive. Then at least I go to clean and go down. And that's what I do. That's what I do here. Okay. I finished already my cleaning. So I go here. I finished this one, the curtain. This new curtain because of the orchid. It's hot kasi. I don't know what happened in the plant. I'm feeling the plant. I'm bringing the plant to the kalo, to the uncle of Madam. If we are going this afternoon. Because he has a lot of plant, hanging plant. And he know how to fix he know how to take care. And that one maybe will, at least if I bring that one there, maybe it make a flower again. Okay, so what is coming? Okay, so when 30,000, we have okay, so what is coming? Beside here, I want